On the intervening night of August 14 and 15, India will enter the 75th year of its independence.
India is entering the 75th year of its independence, celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. And this is the first time when, after the ceasefire agreement has been made, India is celebrating its Independence Day on the borders in a very special way. And Team Republic, keeping the nation ahead always, has once again come with a very special story from the line of control in North Kashmir, Machhal sector, to show you how the ceasefire agreement has brought change and how the defense forces are celebrating Independence Day this year in a very special manner, along with the civilians who stay along the LOC.
2 years after the abrogation of Article 370, the Awam of India's most beautiful valley stands shoulder to shoulder with our forces. India's largest tricolour has been hoisted in North Kashmir.
You see behind me is the biggest flag that has been hoisted in Kashmir. The dimensions are 56 into 37 feet. So this is the biggest flag and the height is 80 feet. And the most significant thing about this tricolour is that this has been unfurled in Machhal sector in North Kashmir that has been badly impacted by the ceasefire violations in past few years. But now, as we see this flag unfurling, every Indian's heart is filled with pride because this witnesses the winds of change, the winds of peace.
Behind these celebrations is the sweat and blood of our forces.
The whole nation is celebrating Independence Day in its own special way. For an Indian Army soldier, no celebration is beyond the call of duty. And what you see here is the normal patrol exercise that happens at the LOC, where we are present right now in the Machhal sector, from where the Pak-occupied Kashmir and the Pakistani posts are visible. And in spite of the ceasefire agreement, the Indian Army has not lowered its guards. It remains alert and it is prepared for any kind of situation. And this Independence Day, Team Republic is celebrating this national festival with these heroes of Mother India.
Deployed at the borders, here's a message from the men in olive green to the nation.